Okay lang, dami yung cerveza. Para kalbo.
Sound!
Cambio.
Okay, start na po ng game. Road Riders versus Los Amigos. Okay, Los Amigos ball. 24. Pass to Cardona. Pass to number 5. Napakalakas talaga nun. Jersey number 69. Pass to number 29. Pass to 69 again. 3 points. 2 points. 2 points. Len, dribble the ball. Len, dribble the ball. Pass to number 5. Number 5.
Ulto niya.
Pass to Cardona. Cardona, 3. Wala. And rebound ni number 17. Pass to Jimmy. Jimmy. 10 to shoot. Jimmy, again. Pass to Len. Len. Number 6. Drives. And wala. Mali ng pasa. Number 5. Pass to Jimmy. Wala pa rin. Rebound by... Kaya falta. Numero 13. Iron boss.
Bibigta kayo din, walang? Wait period ba?
Number 10. Number 10. Pumarabas. Nag-spot. And nagagawan si Taas. Rebound by Cardona. Number 5. Pull up. Good 2 points by number 5. Number 5 again. Still. Then drives. Wala. Last touch. Jimmy.
Falling!
Number 10. Pass to number 69. Full court press by Los Amigos.
Ay, sayang.
Number 69. Pass to number 6. Five to shoot. Los Amigos. Number 24. Len. Number 24. Pass to Cardona. Pass to number 5. Patay. Ang lakas doon. Favorite. And again. Number 29. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Patay na naman. Pasok. Len. Dribble the ball. Len. Pass to number 5. Number 5.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 69, pass to press. Pass to 69 again. Number 69. Nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 39. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 03. Number 3. Press. 2 points. Batang-bata. Jersey number 24. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to Cardona. Cardona. 3 points. Wala. And rebound ni Brown and Cardona. Who's foul rep? Numero?
Yes.
10.
Coach, wag ka lang. Papasok, coach. Wag kang pasok, ha. Ikaw yan.
number 6, Ginukot. Napaganda ng pagkahawag mo. Jersey number 24. Okay, dribble the ball.
Hirap maghabol.
24. Pass to number 5. Pass to Cardona. 3 points. Wala pa rin. Rebound by 29. 29. Pass to number 69. Pass to number 10. Back to number 69. Pass to number 29. 29. Drives. And wala. Nakuha ni number 24. 24. Pass to number 5. Napaganda ng pasahan. Number 10, inbound. Pass to number 69. Back to number 10. Number 10. Drives and wala. Rebound ni Cardona. Cardona. Drives. Pass to Jimmy. 2 points by jersey number 13. Jimmy. Press. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Drives and wala. Number 6 again. Pass to number 3. Press. Wala. Rebound by Jimmy. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Spot. Favorite. Ay tempo. Number 10. 3 points. Rebound by number 24.
Ay, cambio.
Ay cambio. Pero ay tempo.
Pasok ka.
Number 24, Len. Rebound again. And last touch number. Time out, Road Riders.
Ayan ba, papasok ka.
Time remaining, 4 minutes, 14 seconds. Score, 12-8 in favor of Los Amigos.
Full pay.
Back to the ball game.
KJ, cheer ka. Cheer ka.
Back to the ball game po tayo. Number 5, pass to Len. Len, spot. Wala, rebound ni 29. Pass to number 27. Back to 29. 29. Pass to number 10. 10 to shoot. And still number 5. Napakatulog. Idol. 29, pass to number 10. Number 10. And number 10 again. Number 10. Imelisa. May foul. Los foul red, número 17.
Pasok.
2:32.
2:30.
Time remaining 2 minutes 32 seconds. Score 14-9 in favor of Los Amigos. Cambio. Number 47 out. Number 12 in. Lane, move on the ball. Pass to number 12. Number 12, back to Lane. Pass to number 5. 10 to shoot. Number 5, malamig pa. And rebound. May foul. Numero 3. First free throw ni Idol.
Shoot.
Iron Man.
Wow.
Jolens. Sampo. Ay cambio. Iron Man again. Wala, rebound ni number 10. 27. Pass to. Oh, still the number 5. Number 5. Pass to Len. Len. Pass to number. Still number 5.
Huli.
And still again, number 27. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Naghanap ng papasahan. Number 5. 10 to shoot. Ay,
Time out, boss.
Time out.
Kami.
ay tempo. Time out, Los Amigos. Time remaining, 1 minute 47 seconds. Score 15-10 in favor of Los Amigos. Let's back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Find it, book it, make it yours.
Number 17, pass to number 5. Back to number 17. Number 17, 10 to shoot. Iron Man, magwersa. Iron Man. Rebound to number 17. Foul. Numero 15. 25. Number 6, Gumo. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 29. 2 points by number 29. Number 5. Jimmy. Pass to number 17. Number 17, press. 2 points by number 17. Last 1 minute. Number 10, pass to number 6. Back to number 10. Number 10 spot. Paso, ang tira ni number 10. Last 43 seconds. 40. 35. 30. Jimmy? 2 points by Jimmy.
Pati Jimmy ah.
Last 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And at the first quarter, official score 20-14 in favor of Los Amigos.
Score. Rubo. Number 15, inbound. Pass to number
Number 8, pass to number 17.
Bumamit ka.
Len, dribble the ball. Len. Pass to Jimmy. Jimmy. Pass to number 3. And still the number.
Walang dribble.
Number 8, spot. 2 points by number 8. Len, dribble the ball. Len, pass to number 12. Number 12, 3 points, wala. And rebound ni number 0. 0. 0, pass to number 8. Number 8, dribble the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 10, drives, and wala. Blue ball. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 8 to shoot. Len. Pass to Jimmy. 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 Pass to Ganaden. Ganaden, 2 points. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 8. Pass to number? Number 15. Pass to number 0. 0. Spot. Wala. Rebound ni number 12. Number 12. And pass to Jimmy. And still number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 15. Still number 70. Jimmy. And foul. Numero 8. Time remaining. 7 minutes, 26 seconds. Score, 22-16.
Pwede pa.
First free throw.
Sinong naman?
22-16.
Second free throw. Level number 15. Pass to number 0. 0. And pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number. Ooh. 2 points by number 17. Left, dribble the ball.
Mr. Boss, gana din.
Ay, cambio.
Offensive foul lang.
Offensive foul ni number 7. Ay, cambio. Pasok. Pasok pa yung magpapasok.
Gana din.
Gana rin?
Si.
Lawas po tayo. Salamat. Number 0, nagbaba ng bola. 0, nagbaba ng bola. 0, pass to number 5. Number 5. Drives, and wala. Rebound ni number 12. Pass to number 5. Number 5, napakatulin. Number 5, and steal naman ni number 12. Number 12, 2 points. Pasok. Atras si number 12. Ayun naman, steal naman. Jimmy. Timeout. Road Riders. The score, 29-18 in favor of Los Amigos. Time remaining 6 minutes seconds. Back to the ball game. Road Riders ball. Press. Drive, number 3. Wala. And rebound number. Or the second, pass to number 5, Jimmy. Ginamot, wala. And Jimmy again. Pass to number 5. Number 5, spot. Matindi talaga yun. Number 5, dribble the ball. Pass to number 3, still number 5. Number 5. And it's fouled. Foul, number 5. Push the foul. Time remaining 5 minutes, 24 seconds. Score 33-18 in favor of Los Amigos.
Ay, cambio.
Cambio?
Cambio.
69, pass to number 10. Number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to 69. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 10. Number 10, dribble the Iron Man. Iron Man, pass to number 3. Number 3, dribble the ball. Pass to left. 10 to shoot. Iron Man, nakuha po lang. Rebound number 10. And still number 5. Number 5, pass to number 47. Aquino. 2 points by Aquino. Time remaining, 4 minutes, 33 seconds. Number 5, is still. Number 5, wala. Ibalik number 39. 39. 39. And who's foul? Numero 24.
Sub.
Ay, cambio. Cambio.
Pasok. Pas mo na. Frankie.
Number 47. Cambio. Rebound ni Iron Man. Len, nagbaba ng bola. Len, nagbaba ng bola. Pass the number. Rebound ni number 10. Rebound mo naman ni Cardona. 2 points by Cardona. 69. Dribble the ball. Nagbaba ng bola. Still number 5. Number 5. Pass to Cardona. Cardona. Pass to Iron Man. Iron Man. Pumwersa. Pass out. Ay, cambio.
Sabi na huwag mag-kick.
Cambio rin. Numero?
Minuto.
9.
2:30.
Foul number 29. First free throw. Iron Man. Iron Man. Free throw. Solid sa naman. Ay, cambio.
Reserve number 5.
Number 6. 2 points by jersey number 6. Len, in front of the ball. Pass to Cardona. Back to Len. Len, dribble the ball. Len, back to Cardona. Cardona, low tres. Rebounding number 5. Number 5. And rebounding Iron Man. Iron Man, dinigdig. May foul. Who's foul? Numero 15. Ay, cambio.
Number 5. Pasok, pasok.
Cambio.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
Gusto ko lang mas magandang video. Tuma.
Cardona. Pass to Iron Man. Iron Man. Iron Man again. Rebound. And last up. Numero 10. Last 2 minutes. Number 5. Foul.
5.
5 to shoot. Isa pa. Iron Man. Wala naman.
Sige, take 2.
Penalty na, no?
Penalty.
Take 2 naman siya.
Time remaining 1 minute 55 seconds. Score 41-20.
Video ko na kasi.
Second free throw. Iron Man. Pasok ang last free throw ni Iron Man. 69. Triple ball.
Ha?
Pass to number 8. Back to 69. Back to number 8 again. 10 to shoot. Rebound ni Iron Man. Back to Len. Len. Last touch. Jersey number 69. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Naghanap papasahan. Back to 69. 69. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Wala. And ball Iron Man. Pass to Len. Last 1 minute.
Iron Man, sentro, sentro, sentro.
Cardona. Pass to number. Number 2.
Dos lang, dos.
Number 69. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Drive and pass kay number 3. Buwesa. Salte. Kaya falta. Numero. Number 3. First free throw.
Basic lang atan.
Counted nga pala yan.
Panglalapit dito, wala na.
Left. Last 95 seconds. 30. 25. 23.
Pasok!
20.
Makapag-close amigos. Tama ba?
Waya.
5.
Oh! 3 points! 3 points!
End of the second quarter. Ang score natin, 46-23 in favor of Los Amigos.
Itira mo, tira mo, itira mo. No, wala. Wala na yun. 46.
Back to the ball game.
Tapusin mo yung kanya. Dahil tayo, pagkatapos ito, i-open tayo. O, hindi pa yata. O, July.
Okay, Jimmy, dribble the ball. Last quarter po tayo. Fourth quarter. Jimmy, pass to number 7. Back to Jimmy. Jimmy, wala. Rebound ni number 7. Boss Ashley. Bossing, time out po. Number 7. Pass to number 5. Number 5. 2 points, wala. Rebound ni Press. 2 points by jersey number 3. Jimmy, dribble the ball. Jimmy. And attack. 2 points by Jimmy.
Hasan! Hasan! Hasan!
27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 7.
Lawag yung motor ko.
Jimmy. Pass to number 5. 2 points by number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 29. 29, 3 points. Wala. And rebound ni 47. Pass to number 5. Back to number 47. Back again. Hindi na kasundo.
Oh, bakit, boss? Bakit? Oh, Hasan, Hasan.
Number 29. 29. And drive. Wala. Number 3. Kumarsa. Wala pa rin. Pass to number 7. 2 points. Wala. Number 3 again. Wala na naman.
Power rebound. 6-6. Power rebound.
Last 6 seconds to shoot. Still number 5. Antule. Number 5.
Vivian. Grace.
Boss Ashley. Pumarsa sa ilalim. Kuha ng foul. Number 47. Numero 47. So, pick number 7. Forty-seven, baba ng bola. Pass to Jimmy. 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 Again. Pass to number 7. Ganun din. 2 points, wala. And rebound ni number 7. Number 7.
Yawa.
Martin.
Number 27. 10 to shoot.
Wala.
Aquino, pass to number 5. Pass to Jimmy. For the connection. 27 inbound. Ay, tempo. Ashley, number 7. 2 points by number 7. Jimmy, nagpapapa ng bola. Jimmy. Pass to Aquino. Aquino, Jimmy. Time out, Roadrunners. back to the ball game. Time remaining. 5 minutes, 36 seconds. Ang score natin, 56-39 in favor of Road Riders.
Second fight, overkill. Dahil lang tayo, kasi first fight. Ha? Overkill. Second fight, kasi first fight mo lang.
Number 0, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 29. 29. Pass to Ashley. Number 7. Number 7. Spot. Wala. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 29. Wala. Rebound number 7. 29. Drives and wala. Same ball. Number 27. 27. Pass to number 0. Back to number 27. Fourth shoot. Inbound. Pass na Cardona. Back to number 24. I cambio, rep. Lane. Pass number 5. Number 7. 27. Nagpapala ng bola. Pass to 0. 0, 2 points. And wala. Inbound ni Cardona. Pass to Lane. Lane. Dribble the ball. Pass number 12. Nakakuha. 2 points to number 23. 27. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Gano'n ba papasahan? Pass to number 27. 27, 2 points. Wala. Rebound ni Iron Man. Pass to Len. Nagpapaba ng bola. Time remaining. 3 minutes 40 seconds. Iron Man. Puwersa. Iron Man. Kaya falta. Numero 3.
27.
Numero 27.
Ay, nang universo.
Tayo sa mga bata sa laro. Sa Pinasis, manalo-alaga tayo.
Number 10. Nagpapala ng bola. And it's foul. Number 23. Substitution, rep. Ay cambio. Ay cambio, rep. Number 10. 2 points by number 10. Len, nagpapala ng bola. Ay cambio. Len. Cardona. Wala. 29, rebound. Pass to number 0. Number 0. 0. Last 1 minute 47 seconds. 2 points to number 0. Ironman, inbound the ball. Pass to Len. Len, nagpapala ng bola. Ironman, back to Len. Pass to Benaden. Benaden. Time to shoot. Pumasok ko pala. Zero. Eight to shoot. Cambio.
Arwen.
Cambio.
Ha? Ha? Ruel?
Cambio, 29.
Masuk.
0. Pass to 27. Back to 0. Last 1 minute. 55 seconds. 15 seconds. Gana rin? Spot, wala. Rebound ni number 15. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 35. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20. Number 10, drive. 15. 10. 5.
Pasok! Bang!
Dalawang quarter na di ko nagamit ng timeout ka.
Enjoy.
Kunin mo na lang sa susunod na game.
63, 35.
Basilio, pasok!
Ilang quarter na ba yan?
Pangnapat.
Apat na?
Basilio, tres!
Try invite the bawat. May update tayo. Be honest tayo. Meron pa ko yun. Tayo sa kanila. Robert! May listahan din kami. Road Rider. 150.
Okay, fourth quarter na tayo. Number 69, pass to number 10. Number 10, 2 points. Wala. Gana din, pass to Len. Len, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Pass to Len. And gana din. Pass to number 3. Number 10. Pass to number 9. Jimmy. Dribble the ball. Jimmy. Pass to Len. And 2 points by Len. 69. Nagpampa ng bola. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 10. And Balmy Ironman. Pass to number 3. Number 10. Still. Number 10. And drives. May foul. Numero 24.
Pero sumat. Sa kanila. Bigyan. Dagdag lang.
And 69. Tapay. Number 10. Ready to shoot. Ready to shoot. 69, 2 points, wala. And rebound ni number 70. Gana din. Pass to Len. 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 Dahil diretso. Wala. Nakagawa sa ilalim. Len again. Len. And ganda ng pagkakapi. Kaya falta, numero 8. Holy foul. Ay cambio, ref. Pasok ang papasok.
Tingog na namin pang pateorais.
First free throw. Then, pasok ang free throw ni number 24.
Serve. Gana din.
24, best free throw. Pasok pa rin. Cambio. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 10. Len. Len. Pass to Iron Man.
Chris mo!
Pass to Len again. Len. Pass to number 3. 3 points. Wala. And number 3 again. Pass to Jimmy. Nakuha ni number 10. Okay, libreng-libre si number. Wala pa rin. Number 6 again ulit. Naipasok na po. Time remaining, 6 minutes 32 seconds. Len, dribble the ball. Len, pass to number 3. Back to Len again.
Ay, cambio, bale.
I cambio. Number 8. Number 8. Double. Cambio, ref.
Battalion, substitution.
Substitution.
Labas naman.
Ken numero. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 47. Number 17. 3 points. Around 3. Rebound ni number 47. Aquino. Aquino. Perimeter. Ang galing po. Rebound ni number 10. Pass to number 69. 69. Pass to number 8. Number 8. 3 points. Pasok. Ay, cambio, ref. Time out. Dalawang advance. Number 22. Falta. Numero 8. Nabatukan down. Cambio. Falta. Ay, tempo. Road Riders. Time out, Road Riders.